Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with the flowers. For that we need quilling tool, round dia, comb, glue and some strips. For that, first of all we will start from the flower. For that we need 150 mm strip and one comb. We have to make the petal first. We need 4 petals for each flower. So we have to use the comb by step. We make the petal. As you can see, the last step we have to do two steps. Put the extra one, put the glue and make it the joint. As you can see, actually it's blue color also. The comb is a blue one. So as you can see, we make the petal. So we have to press it like this. We already 3 more before, so now we have to make the joint like this. We have to make a joint of petals like this. Okay, I will make the joint with the glue, then I will come back. So as you can see, we make the petal from one side, we press it, the other side we have to keep open for the petal shape of this one. Now we need 150 mm strip of purple color. We have to make it the tight roll and put in the 12 mm round dia. Press, put the glue and make the shape of a D shape. We are just covering the petals top, like the flower top. I'm sorry to say petal. This one. Now we have to make the edges of flower. For that we need 75 mm strip of purple color and we have to put in a 7 mm round dia. Put the glue and make it a shape of curvy petal. So like this in the corner. And the one I already made, the other one side. Like this. Now we have to make the yellow part of the flower. For that we need 75 mm strip and we have to make it the tight roll. 3 tight rolls in the same size petal strip we need. Put it here, and I already made 3 before. And the 3 strips of 10 mm or 12 mm, you have to make it the joint like 3, like this. Make the joint here, like here. I will show you the middle. Here. Now we have to make the leaf, the small size leaf, yellow and green. For that we need 75 mm strip of yellow and 75 mm strip of green. We have to extend like for the 7 mm round dia. Make the leaf like this, and the other side the green one. Same strategy, but little bit different. We have to press from the both sides this one. So put the glue and press from the both side, friends. So friends, we got the stuff, flower and petals, and one 200 mm strip of the green and 3 strips of the small one, the dark green color. And the same strategy with that flowers we have to do with the last one, but we have to press from the both side. So let's get started, friends, to put the stuff on the greeting card cover. So finally, friends, we have our stuff. 6 small petal leaves, 3 green, 4 flowers. So one I already make the joint, this one. So let's get started. Let's get started. It's already I put the branch, the main branch of the flowers. So just do it and put the flowers on their locations. Like this, I can move on this one more because the less space on the greeting card cover. Like this, the top, and about the yellow one we have to put it like this. Three yellow leaves, 6, sorry, and the 3 one we have to put the green. This. So now finally, friends, we done it. So I hope, friends, you like our video. Friends, if you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon that can give you to our new uploaded video notifications. So until next video, friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.